Thengio muno ni twacokereria turathi na mbere gutharuka ngeto mugwa muruku na twina wakiri wa Kabu wa Njung'e na turakiaria uhoro wigie ugai wa indo riniriria mundu akirikia kuhuruka na twakorwo twaririria uhoro wa will iria nyandike na onokorwo ni twagikorwo tukihutia iria tari nyandike bana wakiri.
Yes.
Ndoria tiriri baba agitwita ri auwe we mwangi ndakuhe giki we nawe mora ndakuhe giki maina nawe ndakuhe giki iyo nayo atia iyo ni qualifyaga iyo kana na ninga batara ati he mundu ngiuka kumi kuria kana kuregana nayo ati ni areganire onokorwo turethe twariho
riu gutwikaga ati in an oral will no kwaria mundu aragia ukauga giki kina na kina ni ndatigira uyu no uyu no riu otoria twiga ono bado uhoro wa written will ona guoka oral will no magaguka na witnesses tora mungikombo ciana inyanya na inyuothe muri agai you are not competent witnesses kwa andu metagwo competent witnesses kogo inyue mwe hau inyue muri agai mutige qualify ta competent witnesses kwa ndo mwaka akona andu ingi eri bado kana atatu preferably atatu aria magioka mauge ati nima muthe ni ugire giki na kina na kina keo mundu uyu kogo riu tokuga kuika otore tuga ginya in a written will bado ona in an oral will no mwaka ukorwo na aira ata eri kana atatu o mo
riu ri ucio ruga gutukoraga wirire tari nyandike na wagitwira mundu no ginya unfortunately gutwika no ahuruka thutha wa mieri 3 na mundu ucio akuhuruka video ni invalid
ni atwika invalid kana indo iria ugire ni invalid
riu ri tantu di ono digukiuge gufagina tukororo we he andu mugaga atiriri ni indo ciakwa na akandika handu ati indo ciakwa gutire mundu wa family ndahe kana gutire ki indo ciakwa ndai kwa ithie gwi thirikari kana ithie maybe kwi children's home kana ithie kwi charitable organization ngu ciitagwo na githungu na ke mundu wa family no ke no athitange uge ni ndabati kwa iro kindu haha
uria guthiaga onongoro indo icio no ciaku mundu kana tumeta dependence kwi andu aria togo marorete estate yaku tuge ta mwana waku togo mwana waku niwe wamuhea mbeca cia upkeep kana tuge ona hena mundu ungi ona ngoti mwana waku ona tuge ona mamu wanyu niwe wamuheaga mbeca cia kunjia upkeep riu koguo wile ya kuona warikia kwandika muthikiriria ninge ona watiga andu amwe those people can always come back na maugia atiriri asa in this particular will ni hakwa dinarorwo nikio watho witagwo the Law of Succession Act under section 26 ni yugaga ati mundu angikorwo ndanagairwo kindu no ke auge ati haha there was no provision for me kaninge auge there was no reasonable provision ko ungiona ati will ino yandikwo whatever you've been given actually niona no heo kindu wiro-ini na wone asa giki kindu ndaheo tikiganu according to maybe uria ndo yange maheo giki kindu tikiganu kwa no ngiona ati kindu kiria waheo tikiganu and you feel aggrieved no thi gotine no guthia under section 26 uthie uge asa indo ici yes baba ni agaire kana mami ni agaire no ningi indo iria ndie ndaheo hakwa ndirona kai ci reasonable now that will now fall upon the court igoti ni rio rikuga atiriri igiki ndakuhe giki waheirwo nikiganu and I've seen some instances whereby mundu na athire akioppose will ya heanetwo akiuga ndanahe kindu reasonable nikio ndaiga riu reasonable unfortunately ti kindu mundu angiuga what is reasonable riu athi igoti ni aheirwo ciringi 10 ko nikio ndauga riu will remove yes yandikwo you can claim that there was no reasonable provision no athi igoti ni the court can make any decision tondu no igwa tondu mundu ucio ahirwo ciringi 10 na after koyo ciringi 10 mbeca iria ahuthirie guthii igoti-ini no we wereheire so you must be very careful when you are opposing a will because you don't know what might happen
taruru tuge ni family yake gairwo indo no uria watugare tuge ni baba ri tuigue mundu mudafati kugairwo indo icio no tucoke igoti-ini ru tuge mundu arutwo hau
no otoria ningi tuga what you can claim you can make a claim for reasonable provision no riu ndongiuga ati mundu ni agairwo indo what you yes no uge ati mundu ni aheo indo nyingi muno yes you can go back to court na uge uguo but then that now falls upon the court tondu ni ona mundu ucio wandika wileo no akorwo ari very specific akauga mundu uyu kuma tuga de munini tuge ari my good friend na hindi atongocia na ciakwa ciandiganirie mundu niwe wandorire you see as mundu ria andika will you have so much that you can say na will ongo ningi ndungithia outside the scope ndungeje ningi kuga ati ndamenete Kamau ndamenete Njoroge ndungeje kuga ningi indo icio will-ini tondu ningi no gutiga rumena but you can always say that mundu uyu the reason why I have given him this much ni tondu ni andoraga hindi iria ndari muoyo ko nikio ndamuhe indo kina na kina so you can justify the reason why ko na ya mathi gotini the court now since it's upon them kuga niki reasonable no marore ati mundu uyu ugire mundu uyu ni andoraga ko maybe what has been given to him is reasonable so for you yes you can go to court saying that you are not given something reasonable no ni kiru kuga mundu uria ngine hayo kindu kingi no that falls upon the court to decide yeah
we maundu maya ari anga ni riu ri ni twakiuga tuga Richen na Oro iyo kuru ndahuruka na ndiandikire will
riu actually now that is what happens to most people andu ingi otoria tuga maugaga wandika will ni gwitoreta gikuo
ati ni urethetha riu
au ni maugaga ni gwithetha na riu otoria tuga kwandika will ti gwithetha no ningi riu it happens that togona hindi urathia kwandika will tongorwo ndwahotie kumiandika kana will yaku ni atuika invalid tondu na will no wandike no ningi ituike ni invalid riu atuika ni invalid there is something called intestate succession intestate ni kuga ndwatigire will intestate yuga ni watiga will intestate irauga ndwatigire will so what happens in such a case andu aria maraigua tu metagwo personal representative na riu no nyende kwaria muno uhoro wa personal representative tondu most people have the idea that mundu atuika personal representative kana murugamiriri wa estate iyo ati niwe ukuga indo nyingi
na ndirie tiriri betu thi niki tuma indo citwa estate
shito intestate ito estate that is a word that geshi ya maundu maingi maitu twamarutire kuma the English people to nio makirehire mawatho na riu ungirora nginya tene ona ungiroya tu movie wigua mundu ero ena estate no yani yetagwo estate riu koguo riu nikio tucita generally that is an estate of so and so
riu tukugaga tumaha personal representative okugaga
riu ngugaga atiriri hindi ria riu hatari na will in such a case riu tuiga uguthi under intestate na the moment wa the under intestate mundu uria ureigua tongorwo ena claim in that particular estate no akone mundu anaja no eciria iko inyu mutire athi igoti-ini I have a claim no akona mundu wina deni mundu ucio wakihurukai he mundu ari na deni yake mundu uyu akona atiriri these people are not taking any action ko I can go to court join the personal representative koguo riu hindi ria watiga hatari na will no mwaka guthii igoti-ini na andu aingi hau niho maguaga tondu ukoraga migunda mingi kana especially in Kenya baba wanyu ni ahitukire mutiathire igoti-ini mwagayani ukiuga weka mauthi kara haria we na ikara hau but you didn't go to court either estate ya ituike well settled kwa riu no mwaka mundu umwe kana eri mathi igoti-ini moge riu estate ino ya baba ni turenda igayanio
na ikuyu ni kinigio tuga ati twathi guthitanga gikuo
bas exactly ko ni ko guthitanga gikuo kwa ndo mwaka ningi the first thing that you are supposed to do ni ati no mwaka wabe uthie ningi gwa cifu riu mwaka ni kihoro wa mathiko wina burial permit and the death certificate wathi gwa cifu akamwandikira marua na akauga ati mundu yes ni akua na riu aya niyo njuita beneficiary zake tongo no uge ciana ciake na tongo mutumia wake arikie gwika uguo acha aya tureta personal representative kana murugamiriri no akorwo no ikorwo the wife the son the children no mathie mauge mundu uyu ni akua etha maheo marua makuga riu no manjie ku administer estate ya mundu kana kurora estate maheagwo kindu gitagwo grant na muthikiriria njuge ati andu aingi otoria ndauga makona misconception ati the moment that we are personal representative riu ona no nyanjie kwendia indo cia mundu uria urakihitukire no ungeje kwendia indo cia mundu uria utahitukire utahitwo the final grant kana grant iyo itatuikite confirmed muthikiriria wahota guthitangwo koguo riu the moment we waheo wira ucio wa gutuika personal representative wira waku tu no kurora estate ayako mundu ena ng'ombe mukeme uria cikuigwo wega ayako mundu ena migunda muke make sure de kuiwo ko ucio niguo wira waku ta personal representative kurora indo icio cia mundu ucio nginya hindi ya mukaheo the final grant na riu no mwaka kindu kingi njagirwo ku mention ni ati toria tugire when there is a will a will no indo no ciheo mundu tari a blood relative kana mundu mutatarainie. Now when it comes to succession hari hatari na will mostly it applies to ari mukorainie tondu riu ni ha akuona tongo mutumia ni athi auga ati mundu ni arahitukire na ena indo ici na ici nicio turenda cigayanio. We ungithie ku tuge mutikoraini andu aya angi no moke ma oppose muge mundu uyu yes ni oya marua maya no tutimui kana we don't know who he is. Oh, it can be opposed tiati ninge we igwate no utengere uyo grant no mwaga kona tongo mundu makorainie kana he kindu kirakuhusu no we mundu nikio wathi kuoya grant hiyo.
Taru tugiuga twathi guthitanga gikuo ri andu mathia mari othe family ngima kana
mutithia ninge mwe family yothe mugithi gwa cifu kindu kiria the most important tondu rimwe ona ni ugukora tongorwa mwimeja wa bururi kana mwe matire hakuhi ona mundu umwe tongo tuge ona ta aiko ni mamu wanyu kana brother yanyu ni eguthie na uge riu ni muthe ni arakehitukire kana the mom is no longer there and these are the people tuge ciana ciake list ciana ciake na civo nake no mwaka agi confirm civo irake to kwandika marua tondu ningi angiandika marua atige mundu ungi ni mundu ni estate iguthie na mbere na mundu ucio no oke uge asa ni ndatigirwo ko civo nake wira wake ni ku verify na the reason why civo may have because it's assumed that they know the people in their locality ko no mwaka agike due diligence akimenya kana kweli ici nicio ciana ciana cia mundu uyu umakirikia gwika uguo riu magaithie na mbere na kesi igoti-ini.
Riu ri kamwe tugiria maundu mwete mwathi igoti-ini riu ri he uria utigire ukiuma na will na riu ni he andu matigaga macagura estate manager o wiri-ini iyo no gwakorwo ta riu ni tuigua family cikinambia guku bururi-ini ukaigua ati mundu uria matigiirwo ri ni marauga ni arahuthira uru indo icio kana ndaracira mata uria gubati na hau ri family yagu ni gwika atia.
Now in such cases hediria watu wata estate manager wira waku ti ku benefit from that particular estate tondu ningi ndungithie mwanjie kwihebia riu ni ukoraga I can support that tondu estate managers amwe ni meciragia riu tondu ni maheo kamweke kau wira wao riu ni ku benefit from that particular estate. For the estate managers what they are supposed to do yes no mwaka makirihe ndo matingikiruta wira wafu but what they are paying themselves is something reasonable ningi mutingikigaya estate ngima ciana ici ciagitigwo hau angiko ni ciona mundu uyu ni egaire indo nyingi muno kana he's doing something that is contrary to what he's supposed to do mena jukumu ya guthii goti-ini na mathitange mundu uyu mauge mundu uyu hindi ria athire ku administer estate no ni ekire kina na kina of which was not as what was expected kana tondu ningiona estate manager ena duties yake he went against the duties that had been given to him ko no muthie ta beneficiaries the entitled muthie muge o mundu kuringana ori administer estate no he mahitie ka na no thitagwo na wari wagi thitagwo if you are found culpable kana tukiwe aikonone ka wina mahitia ono wita estate manager ndio kuohwo kana wira ucokie mbeca iria ukiwete kuma ku estate yo kwa for the estate managers no mwaka mamenye that they have a duty na riu tainywe riu mwe beneficiaries ona inywe to ikara mugeterera muheo kindu you must keep following up mukamenya nke ikorathie na mbere in case you see any discrepancy raise a question if it is not addressed your recourse is in court wathi goti-ini mukaugari mundu uyu no kindu kiria areka it's not according to what he is supposed to do ko riu igoti ona no rimweherie kana ona ake agithitangwo na acokie mbeca iria akigite kana wetike mahitia.
Ni ndina estate yo nene ndina mabiacara makambuni na migunda ndona ati igituika ati ndici ndagaira o mundu wa family kindu giake ri utongo ucio ni guthuka ko ndenda yo consolidation kana indo ici cikorwo ci hamwe watho ni ujitikiritie ati no njuge ati indo ici tikugayanwo ni ndathura SS manager no riu ri profits kana indo iria umana na wira ucio kana estate ino ri icio nicio gwikira wiri-ini ati ariaga gicunjĩ giki uguo
ona uria ni nyonete kwi andu aria makona mbeca nyingi actually that's what they prefer tondu ungikorwo na tongoro hena company uraran na riu tongoro na ciana ciaku no ciko they are not in a position to run that particular company either because of their age or maybe because of their orientation mundu no akorwo tongoro they are not that well to ni gukora nginya ciana citiko that interested or in such cases no wikire kindu gitagwo trust you can form a trust iyo riu niwe kurora maundu ma estate yaku niyo mekora estate yaku riu na inyuĩ riu ta beneficiaries you are supposed to be very careful because these people have immense powers tondu mena power ya kwendia indo icio but then as they are selling it's because togo ni mona a need in that particular estate which togo mona the only way it can be addressed ni kwendia indo imwe koguo riu we wina powers aiko wina we mundu tocio ya go form a trust iri kuran estate yaku hindi iri utari ho no na andu acio no beneficiaries aku no mwaka makimenye ati mena wira wa kurora uri indo cirakirano so that the estate cannot be run down
ucio nake ni wona da ndicio ndakura cieherane riu ri kwina maundu maingi muno tungirora wigi ati ugai wa indo mundu ahituka na ndeto icio tigirikia muthenya wa umuthi riu tondu ngona mathaa maitu ni magithira ri gwenda ugihe gitio wiki no ege ugetikira gukari no tuthi na mbere tukoro tukithomithia mwiroreri uria maundu maya mathiaga tondu gutuikaga information iyo kana ugi iyo niguo akenya matakoragwo uria mundu woko ni tari magai maingi ndiku ici no bara manarehe anyway go hope next week ni ugoka tuthi na mbere na tafarire eno
ogehe kiu gitio gia guka no makona ni njoke
thengio muno riu ri ngwendorera kamera iyo wirore mwiroreri kiu giaku kia mwisho no uria ngikuona kana uria ngikunyita
ni hakwa ingira mwiroreri o turia tuga it is very important kana tuge ni very important ukona will tondu hindiria wakituka utari na will there are some few things which might happen iria now which are not within your control na ndio guthie kwandika will ni wega ukorwo na mutaalamu uri ukuelezea uhoro uria wagirwo kwandika will iyo etha ningi indo ciaku ningi ndwagicitige na will afu ningi tongo cigitwike wasted na iko ndona gitiga will ingira andu aria magitigwo hau mamenye that no mwagirwo guthita gikuo na riu wathita gikuo there are some processes which are involved na cio no wega kuona mutaalamu etha kuelezea kwa riu hakwa riu no kwira mwiroreri ati hindi iria wakigia na kindu ta kiu there are some processes which are supposed to be followed na riu hindi ungiona wakiri no aguteithie muno na otoria ndakiuga ithui ni tukiruta wira ucio muno na otoria ngugite umbere-ini tukoragwo kundu gwitagwo Ngong Road ti haraihu muno kuma town it's just some few kilometers from town building etagwo Blue Violet Plaza tukona tu mawakiri mugwanja koguo wira twanjie kuruta ni turuta biu na riu ungienda kunjariria na thimu namba yakwa ni 0739 086 489 na ungikihure yo tondu nie ni ngikiamukagira thimu nyingi no gerie na 0715 803 768 na no uthio na rurenda-ini utukore www.kibatiadvocates.com that is www.kibatiadvocates.com ugienda gutuona na email no tukoragwo kuo no andike email kwi wakabu wakabulo@gmail.com kana wandike to info@kibatia then there is advocates.com ugiandika email kana uhure thimu ni ukuona uteithio na no ukiona advice on how to administer an estate
thengio muno bona waki ngacokia ngatho muno ni ndu wa gwita na
ona ngacokia ngatho ni kunjita niguo
amen riu ri thengio muno ndauga amen na mya niki atuma ngigio guo no ndacokeria wakiri ngatho muno ni guka agatuthomithia maundu ma megi ugai wa indo tondu maundu magituthumbura magathumbura muno mici maingi na kundu kungi na kungi gwakorwo ugithuka hau niho tukorwo twitire tafarira ino gucokeria ngatho muno ndu wa gwitora na nginya muthenya wa ruciu we moya kurathime na urime gukumia.
Asante.